everyone. Today I want to talk about my top 3 totes that I've been loving, I've been using a lot, and basically just rocking them. The very first one that I want to talk about is none other than Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Now, this bag really needs no introduction at all. It's everyone's favorite. A lot of people have it. People just really love it, and I'm really no different. I really love this bag as well. I use it a lot, and as you can see, mine is in the monogram canvas, and I did go with red interior, but this bag does come with demi azure canvas as well as demi bean. And then Louis Vuitton every now and then has these special edition Neverfulls, which are so gorgeous and so pretty. But so far I've only managed to acquire this one, and I have to say that I really love it. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the bag. So like I said, I've been using mine with an organizer, which I'll quickly take out so you guys can see what it is like on the inside. So here's the bag without the organizer, and it does have a back zip pocket, but otherwise there's no other organization or anything. Here is the back of the bag, and the first year that I got this bag, I used it a ton, and then the last year, so this year and last year, I have not really used it that much, and the reason is because I have not been really going anywhere. I have been home pretty much all the time. The few occasions that I did go to a friend's place over the weekend, I did take it with me. So, and I think it goes without saying that this bag does hold a lot. It's literally never full because it's never full. It holds a lot. It's just really amazing. The only complaint I have is the strap drop. So it's not too bad for sure. It's not short or anything, but I like my totes to be to have long strap drop, and this is the only thing I have with Neverfull, that it does have a little bit of a short strap. But other than that, it's really nice tote. I highly recommend it if you want to try it out. If you are looking for a good sturdy tote that can last you a lifetime, then this is definitely it. You should definitely consider getting. And as we all know, monogram tote or monogram Neverfull does come with Pochette, which is raw leather. It does tend to stain with oils from the hands as well as water, things like that. And obviously there are times when if it's raining outside, I can't take this with me, and that is when I tend to use this other tote, which I am going to show you. That is this tote right here. So this is Coach Market Tote is the name of this bag, and these two bags are very similar. And when I say similar, I mean in terms of the size. So the same organizer that I use for my Neverfull, I tend to also use for this one. So when there are days when it's raining and the weather is not good, I don't want to take Neverfull with me. I just tend to take the organizer out of Neverfull and I slide it in here. It fits perfectly and I am good to go. And this bag is just perfect because the strap drop is larger. It's you know, it's black, so it kind of goes with everything. This one also has red interior. I think you guys can tell how much I love red, but basically this one also has red interior. There's one pocket in the back, and this one I've been using right now as my gym bag. Yes, I am using it as my gym bag, so I do have some stuff in it already. But I love Coach. You know, I love Coach in general. Their leather is really nice. It's very sturdy. And this tote comes in so many different colors. I mean, every year I think Coach comes out with different colors that you can play around with, you can choose from. And it's just really nice, you know. I love this bag. And the fact that it is so sturdy and so carefree just makes me want to use it at the gym too, where I can just quickly, you know, throw in my water bottle, you know, like a hand cream, some sanitizer, stuff like that, and I'm good to go. So yeah, this is another one of those bags that I really love. Like I said, I use this one and my Neverfull interchangeably because they're very similar. You know, they both have a pocket in the back, organizer fits in them perfectly, and yeah, I really love it. But I also love my Michael Kors tote. This tote is the Jet Set Travel Tote, and this is one of the newer totes that I got. So I haven't had a chance to use it all that much compared to the other two, but I have still used it, and oh boy, I love it so much. So like the other two bags, I was inserting an organizer in it. I did buy organizers separately. But if you're looking for a bag that already has lots of organizer and lots of pockets, then this is the tote to go for. So I'll just quickly show you what it looks like on the inside. It'll blow your mind how much organization it comes with. It has a back pocket, like a back zippered pocket. It's got two big slip pockets. It's got a middle section. And then on the other side, it's also got two slip pockets. So there is so much organization in this bag. It blows my mind. It fits a laptop. I mean, all three bags fit laptop, but this one probably doesn't look like it does, but it does fit a 13-inch laptop, and it's just so pretty. It's in gorgeous pink color, and I think it's just perfect for those days when I'm feeling girly. I want to wear something pink. Like today, I have pink nails and pink shirt. But yeah, this bag is so pretty. I think it's Michael Kors bags have always been my favorite. I love their leather. They're sturdy, they're good. It does have feet at the bottom, and yeah, I just can't say enough good things about this. It's just, yeah, you guys know how much I love bags, but when it comes to totes, I am a crossbody type of girl. A lot of the bags I have, not lot, like a lot of my bags are actually just crossbody, or a bag that can be turned into crossbody from like a shoulder bag, you know. So I am a big crossbody fan. So for me to invest into tote and love a tote this much does say something. So yeah, I really love this. I mean, I have said it a lot, so I'm not gonna say it, but all three bags I really like. But if I were to just pick one, I get asked that all the time, like, if you could only keep one, which one would it be? So I will go ahead and answer that question. So if I could only have one out of all three, provided that I do own already all of them, if I could only have one, then it would definitely be my Neverfull. If I could only have one tote for the rest of my life, it would be this bag right over here. But let's say if I didn't own any of them, and if I were to start my collection from scratch and get a tote for myself, then I think I would go for this one. And reason being is, you know, it's carefree. It's already gotten organization in it. It fits a laptop. It fits a lot. It's carefree. It has a nice generous, like a, you know, strap drop. It's pretty color. This one also comes in so many colors. I'm not sure if this is still available to be purchased, but at the time when I got it, it did come in so many other colors. So it's a good bag, you know, and it's Michael Kors. You really can't go wrong with it. But yeah, that is basically my three favorite totes that I really love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would very much appreciate it. Otherwise, I'll see you guys out in my next video very soon. Till then, take care and stay tuned for some matcha that are coming up in the end. Take care. Bye.